Oh my God, they dumping water out their house with a trash can. Oh my God.
Oh wow.
Help them, y'all. Go help them. That's y'all neighbor.
You're supposed to help
Your neighbors. It could have been you. It could have been you. Help your neighbors. Help them. Oh, well, oh, God bless you. Yeah, he said it is him.
Hello? Yeah.
It's so bad.
I'm up here by the Walmart. I'm in Hope Mills. Where you at? Yeah. I gotta see if I got the gas. I got the gas. So I'm trying to make it up to Walmart now. We in bumper to bumper traffic, but I'm trying to get there. Yeah.
Oh my God, y'all, look at this.